Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl Ktura Kay, and I'm here with another video. So today it's gonna be a quick rush. I just got off work and it is time for an event. So I got invited to YouTube Black event. I'm so excited. Hopefully I get to network and talk to a lot of new people that I haven't met before, and this is going to be their like creator spotlight. So I'm really excited. I got ready in like less than an hour, so I'm proud of myself. So I completed this makeup look in 25 minutes. So I can't wait to show you all how I completed this look. So this is going to be a talk over. I'm so sorry it's not a talk through, but I had to get it going, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna explain everything that I'm doing just as if I was talking in the actual video, so no worries. So I got you covered. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video if you like Get Ready With Me videos, and yeah, I'll keep them coming. Don't forget to hit that bell to be notified when I post new videos. So let's get started. So I'm starting off by going in under my brows. I have my brows filled in already, and I'm going in with my Boing concealer, and I'm using my MAC flat brush to place it under my brows and a little bit above. So now I'm taking my Juvia's Place stick foundation and I'm blending everything in with my beauty blender. This foundation has full coverage and you definitely have to make sure it's blended in. And I am also applying some concealer, Born This Way. So I'm taking that under my eyes and highlighting the necessary areas and blending it out. So to lighten it up a little bit, I'm applying my Juvia's Place concealer, and it's a lighter shade, so I put a little bit of that under my eyes just to brighten things up a bit. So I'm blending, blending, blending. You can never go wrong. So I am continuing to do that. Now I'm setting with my Sacha Buttercup powder under my eyes and in the areas where I highlighted, so everything is seamless and it doesn't crease. So now I'm taking my P. Louise eyeshadow primer and I am blending that on my eyelid with my fingertips. I feel like it goes on better with your fingertips because the product is not sticking to the brush. It's directly on your finger and skin to skin. It's just blending out very nicely. So now I'm taking my Juvia's Place Warrior 3 palette and I'm going in with that really pretty purple color and I am blending that out in my crease. And this is a really pretty purple matte shade and I love this color because purples make the eyes pop, make brown eyes pop, of course. So if you didn't know that, now you know. So that's why I love purple eyeshadow. So I'm taking a bit more of that base and I'm applying it with my brush now. This is the same brush I use for my brows, underneath my brows. So I'm taking that and I am packing that on and creating another line, kind of like a cut crease. So I'm going to do the other eye and make sure everything is even for the most part. And then I'm going to keep blending and just working that base. So now I'm going in with my Masquerade Mini palette by Juvia's Place, taking that purple shade from that palette, which is a shimmery shade, and I am placing that on the lid. So now I'm taking the Berries palette by Juvia's Place, and they have a really pretty berry plum color, and I'm taking that in my crease as well. And just darkening things up a bit and making it more of a nighttime look, in my opinion, since I'm going to a nighttime event. So blending everything out. So I'm taking the shimmery shade in that palette and I'm placing it right here in the center of my eye, just for a pop of color. And it's so pretty. This shade is like a purplish pinkish color, so I'm placing that with my pinky right there. So now I'm going in with my L'Oreal Infallible liner, and I love this liquid liner. I use it all the time, so I am going to try to speed things up a little bit here because I know you all have seen me apply eyeliner before. So just applying it, giving myself a little cat eye. And then I'm actually going to clean it up a bit because I know you see some of that purple down there. So I'm applying my eyeliner and blending that out with my brush, which has a little bit of that purple plum color on it also. So now I am taking my mascara, which this is the Benefit mascara. So I'm applying that top and bottom, and now I am just wiping off where I set my concealer. So I'm just wiping everything off, and now I'm cleaning up my eyeliner. Just giving it a sharp look and blending that out. So now I'm applying my Pretty Couture lashes. I'm placing my lash glue on the band and just popping them right on. Literally, it takes me less than 30 seconds to apply my lashes if they're applied right. You make sure your glue is nice and tacky, then ploop, pop it right on. Bam. So now let's do the other one. And voila, the eyes are complete, honey. So now I'm gonna show y'all, give y'all a little sneak peek. The look is not complete yet though, so we're gonna keep rolling. So now we're gonna go in with my brown liner, and this is just a regular brown liner from the hair store, I believe. But I'm applying that, giving myself a nice little line and blending that in a little bit. And then I'm going in with my L'Oreal lip paint, and it's in a nude color. And then on top of that, I'm taking my lip gloss, and this is by Victoria's Secret. They have a really good plumping lip gloss, and I'm placing that on the top. And on top of that, I'm placing another plumping gloss, which is by Buxom, on top, and this is Brandy. And I love Buxom. Oh my goodness. So I love plumping lip glosses, as you can see here. So love it. So I'm just cleaning up that liner and wiping off a little bit. And that's it. Nice natural lip. I didn't want the liner to be too overbearing, so that's all. We got it. We got it, honey. Now let's move on to this hair. So my hair is a little bit longer in the front, so I'm gonna make a little faux bang, but let's stretch it out. So here it is. Give me a second. Voila, baby. Look, I stretched my hair out, and I have a video on that as well. In my last video, actually, I show you how I stretch my hair out, and this is where I applied my faux bang. I actually clipped it back so I wouldn't have to cut it. So I'm just giving you, serving you face, serving you hair, serving you curls, serving you looks, honey. So that is it. I'm just, just moving it around, positioning my hair how I want to, and fluffing everything out. So I did an all black number. So I have on a little bustier that I got from, where did I get this from? got it from Urban Outfitters. I got this little bustier from Urban Outfitters that has a little chain detail here, and I have on some high-rise black pants. And they're not like jeans, but they're like more pants than jeans, kind of like jegging. And you'll see pictures, of course, so I'm gonna wear that because I wanted everything to look nice. I'm gonna wear my pink trench coat. I'm sure you all have seen it before. And this is it. I got it from Boohoo a long time ago. It's one size fits all. This is it. And I'm going to pair it with my shoes. Let me show you the shoes. Those are my little crystal shoes that are really easy to walk in. They're comfortable, and you know, if you're going to be standing for a long time, you know, which I really don't know how long I'm going to be standing at the YouTube event, so I wanted to make sure I'm comfortable yet cute, and that jazzes it up a lot, you know, with the blinkage on the top of the shoe. So I just applied my nails. So thank you all so much for watching. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'm sure you'll see pictures on my Instagram. So let me get out of here. Thanks for getting ready with me, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.